for part 5. What we're going to do is to solve this. Put these edge pieces on its correct location like this. Okay, so yeah, yellow and blue, right, should be here, but this one, yellow and orange, should be here, and this yellow and green should be here, and this one, yellow and red, should be here. Okay, so we need to position that in their correct location. So how are we going to do that? So if we just rotate and rotate again, if you rotate it like this, you will see we have two edges in the correct position. Okay, but the other two are incorrect. So for this one, again, we will have a series of steps that we need to do to follow. Okay, so how many is that? There are 8 steps, 8 moves. Okay, so R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Okay, so yeah, like that. So yeah, but again, we cannot just do that. Okay, we need to rotate this top layer wherein there's only one edge piece in the correct location. Okay, so like this one, you have 2 edges on the correct position, so it's not like that. Okay, we need to rotate it again so that there's only one on the correct position, like this one, yellow and orange, so it's in the correct position. This one, wrong, wrong, wrong. Okay, so this is what we need. Okay, only one on the correct position. Okay, it's either this one or this one, blue, because okay, if we rotate it blue, put it beside the blue centerpiece, and look around, this one wrong, and yellow and red wrong, yellow and orange wrong. Okay, but no, let's pick this one. Okay, yellow and orange, put it in the right position, and this one wrong, 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 wrong. Okay, so if we have this one, hold the cube so that it is the correct one facing you. Okay, and then perform the steps that I told you. Okay, so what is that? R, okay, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, 1, 2, R prime. Okay, so as you can see, this edge, yellow and orange, is still in the correct position, and if we look around, okay, this one is in the correct position already, this one correct. Okay, so yeah, but after that first series of moves, and you don't get the correct positioning, then just do it again. Okay, so here's another case that you may encounter here, okay, in this part. So as I've said, we need to position the edges so that there's only one edge piece on the correct position, like this. If we choose this one, red, yellow and red, and put it beside the red, you can, if you will look around, you will see this one is green on the wrong position, green and blue, but this one is orange, so it's in the right position, so we cannot do that. Okay, next, if we rotate and see this one, blue on the correct position, this one wrong, red and orange, green. Okay, so there, wherever you rotate, you will find two edges on the correct position. So if you meet this case, what you need to do is just perform the steps anyways. Okay, the 8 steps. So yeah, let's do it. So pick whichever side you want. Okay, just pick whichever side you want. Okay, so let's just try this one, red and yellow. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Okay, so after that, and take a look around. Okay, and then we try to put one edge piece on the correct location. So this one orange and yellow, this one is blue and green, this one is green and red and blue. So yeah, this is the case we want. Okay, only one edge piece on the correct position, and then let's perform the steps. Okay, or how about this one? Let's try this one. Yellow and blue. Okay, look around. Orange and red wrong, red and green wrong, green and orange wrong. So okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's do the 8 steps, 8 moves. So R, U, okay, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So as you can see, the blue and yellow is still here, and the other edge pieces are still not in the correct position. Okay, so if that's the case, then just do it again, do the steps again, the moves again. Okay, put the one in the correct position in front of you. Okay, this one, and then let's do the moves again. Okay, so R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Okay, so yellow and blue is still there, and then the other edges are now in the correct position. Okay, so that's part 5.